Some lady just flipped me off. This is the brain to my 70-liter pack. I'm gonna use this today as my day pack. Welcome to the Brown Bridge Quiet Area. I think I'm right here. And I'm gonna hike this loop around here and come back. It looks like it's about 5 miles total. Hi there. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. I know, I remember reading some of the comments on All Trails that if you go counterclockwise, you're going to escape all the hills. You do all the hills and stuff earlier, or go clockwise. Saw a guy walking his dog. You saw the dog there, but he had orange on, so it made me think maybe I should put my orange on. I always enjoy the mixed feelings I have on hitting a new trail. You're out in the woods, you're safe. Sometimes the newness of things can make me, I'm realizing, a little bit anxious. And I always view that as a bad thing, but it's just how I was raised to think about things or see the world. And I'm trying to learn how to re-see things and to figure out if the way I do see things is productive, if it's positive, if it's healthy or not, and to view things that way. So far this hike has been kind of on a wide 2-track. It looks like now we're gonna go into the woods a little more, which is just fine by me. It must get pretty swampy through here. This is the 3rd boarded walkway that I'm walking over. Oh, and they built steps up here. Huh. From here, I guess I might head over to go to 17, 16, 15, up to 14. I think I can skip and go around up to 14 here somehow. It looks like I got some climbs ahead of me. Cool, let's go. It's hard to believe looking around that a week or so ago we had a blizzard, several feet of snow in a lot of places. Now there's not any. I mean, it feels like a fall day out here. It's crazy. Some kind of animal run here. There's some significant inclines, nothing crazy, but it's pretty back in here though. I mean, you're in the woods. There's an arrow. That's just the way I came. I'm gonna keep going this way though. ditch this jacket. The thing that I worry about most when I'm out hiking in the winter like this or hiking in the cold is perspiration. Because once you start sweating, you get cold. In fact, I'm kind of getting chilled sitting here, and the only place I'm getting cold is in my middle lower back where my pack was sitting. So I'm gonna get that back on, get back on the trail. Yep, you can definitely see the river down there. And then there's another trail. I don't know what that's all about, but it definitely looks more solid, paved, whatever. I'm just gonna keep going on what I'm doing here. All right, this is where that lower trail comes in. Looks like it goes that way. I'm gonna keep going to 13. So, this way. I heard a car earlier. I'm guessing you can maybe park there and jump in and start hiking through there. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna continue my way on to 11 and go up to 8 and come down. So I might go down to 7 and then go down the loop to loop down here to 6 and then come around this way. I'm starting to see these yellow markers on the trail, and I'm sure they color coordinate with whatever's on that map. There's another one up there, so keeping on trail, I suppose. Yeah, you can see the Boardman River down there. That's pretty, getting glances of this through here. Oh, okay, so the yellow dots are the Boardman River Trail, the Tart Trail. It'd help if you just read the key, Tobe. So far, I mean, my truck said it was 35 degrees out, but it certainly doesn't feel like it. But when the breeze comes through, it's actually kind of warm. Quiet area. It's a nice temperature out today. It's nice for hiking. I'm not getting overly hot, not getting chilled or anything. In fact, it feels nice to take the gloves off and operate the camera. So normally this is the worst part about filming videos in the winter is cold hands. At spot number 10 is this gorgeous lookout place. Look at that. Wow. I don't know what that means, but 8 takes me up here, and then I have to come down to 7 and around. I want to see more of the river, so I think I'm going to go down the steps to 7 and then over to 6 and then around, or maybe this half-mile loop here. I don't know yet. We'll see what it looks like when I get down there. Don't tell me I ditched the stairs. I wondered from up there, I saw a trail here, and I wondered if you could go across that. I don't want to, per se, but you could. There's the Boardman running through here. So my best guess is that you can take the trail through this part here, which is this extra either 0.2 mile or the half mile if you go through in here, or you can take this path here to 6. So I think that I'm gonna play it safe since I'm new here, I'm out of town, and I'm alone, and there's nobody else out here, to go this way. Pretty swampy. Came out of that trailhead there, and you can see the trail goes up and around here, and I'm assuming that you could take that loop around the shoreline here or cut through that way and leads you right up into here. I just came down to check out the river that you saw, so I'm gonna keep heading this way and finish this up. I think I'm at 6 right here. Started at 22. I think I'm gonna go down to 3 and then back. Mostly because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today and I want to have lunch, and I'm trying to think of where I'm gonna have lunch at, because I'm near Traverse City and I can have lunch wherever I want. It is Taco Tuesday. Look at this. What was this? Swamp out cold here. Wonderful feeling that I'll be going up here. Yeah, going up. We're up on this ridge. You can see the Boardman River down there through the trees barely, but it's there flowing and going. We're on our way back to 2 and then to 1, so we're just about wrapped up here. If you've found yourself enjoying this video so far, I'd love to have you hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, would love to have you do so. My goal this year is to, be able to put up some more hiking videos, of course, but I'm hiking Michigan. I'm hiking Northern Michigan trails, and I want to give some more exposure to them. So if there's any trails that you can think of that you would like to see me film, like to see me go hike, I'd love to have you put that in the comments below. So subscribe to the channel, join with us, and come hike these with us through the videos. Some people can't get out like this, and it's a great feeling to know that I'm bringing these trails to them through YouTube. So it's kind of a cool thing, but anyhow, I'd like to get some more. I have some favorites in my All Trails app that I'm going to try to get to this year. I'd love to be doing these every week, every other week, something like that, but the way life goes, we can't get to do what we all want to do the most. So quite a difference over on this side than the other side when we started. It felt like fall over there. It feels like winter over here. Even colder over here, obviously. Much more snow. Making a little slicker to walk. It's not terrible. Been an easy hike so far. Very peaceful out here. Whew. Even though it's cooler over here, it was definitely getting warm. I get that feeling at the end of a hike where it's like you just kind of want to go quick, be done. You get there and think about the sights, things you saw, how you had a little bit of I do anyways. I think about how anxiety at the beginning of the trail was just easily conquered, and all the different trails you've been on, and it's cool. It's good to be back out here, and it's a good way to start the new year. Getting on a trail again and making videos and doing some of the things that I love doing. And thank you for being a part of it. back at 1, not back at, but 1 here. And then I need to go back to 22 is where I got in at. So I think I'm gonna head this way and finish it up. Some kind of home or offices maybe, or something like that over there. And this is the start. I think I could go around to where that bridge was at, or I could go up that way and see the view. And you can sit there and take a look at everything. Well, let's go up and see, why not? And that's where we started over there.